Start up.
Now we will try to launch this barrel into the air using carbide. And some people today will even fly on it.
We need calcium carbide for this. This is used in gas welding, since when in contact with water, gas with a very high combustion temperature is released. We need to fill the entire barrel with this gas.
We carried out the first test with a bucket. Now it's time to go into space. The key is to wait longer. Blimey! Have you seen how cool it was? Inspired by the result, we went to a deep ravine to launch a 200-liter barrel.
We have a shocker and also a very long wire. Here we make a discharge with a shocker, and here a spark appears.
Take a stick and stick it in the ground. Then with electrical tape we wind that wire to this.
In this way, a remote launch of a flying barrel is carried out.
Let's pour in some carbide and pour some water in here.
Run away.
That's it. The barrel went straight up like a rocket. And the sound of the explosion was so powerful and bassist. My body was trembling. Too bad the camera doesn't show this.
Just look. See how the grass lay around? You see? How would you rate this?
And now we really want to introduce you to a new team member, our stuntman. We are very worried if you accept it. So, get acquainted. It's Nefanya.
Now we will put our stuntman on this barrel of gunpowder.
He can try to fly.
Nefanya, take this selfie mop.
On which we attached a camera to see the flight from the first person.
Nefanya is ready to launch the barrel. He has a cheerful and contented face. Nefanya, are you alive or not?
It looks like Nefanya has died. The flight was so scary that our selfie stick couldn't take it.
Yes, the flight turned out to be large scale. Our Nefanya liked it and he wants to do it again. Write in the comments how else to test our stuntman, and we will definitely do it. It smells carbide.